With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says that how many non-negative integral values of x satisfy the equation x upon 5 equal to x upon 7, where this is denotes the greatest integer value less than or equal to x. So we have to find the equation given to us is greatest integer of x upon 5 equal to greatest integer of x upon 7. So by greatest integer function we mean that the greatest integer value of 3.4 is 3. It will give only the integer part. So the equation given to us is greatest integer of x upon 5 equal to greatest integer of x upon 7. So we will have some set of values for which this will give us integers, such as x upon 5 greatest part integral part of x upon 5 will give us integer in the interval from 0 to 5. From 0 to 5 our greatest integer part will be equal to 0 only, because 0 upon 5 is 0, 1 upon 5 is 0 point something, the greatest integer part is 0, and from 5 to 10 the greatest integer part will be 1. From 10 to 15 the greatest integer part will be 2, and from 15 to 20 it will be equal to 3, and so on. And similarly for greatest integer value of x upon 7, it has some set of values, that is from 0 to 7 our answer of this will be equal to 0. From 7 to 14 our answer of this will be equal to 1. From 14 to 21 the answer would be 2, and from 28 to 21 to 28 the answer will be equal to 3, and so on. So now we have to find the values of x which would satisfy this equation. So we will see these intervals one by one and find the common values of x. So for integral value of x equal to 0, we have our x ranging from, for x upon 5 it is from 0 to 5, and for x upon 7 greatest integer part of x upon 7 it is for 0 to 7. If we take union of this we get our number as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because it is up to 5 only. Now for x to have a value of equal to 1, we have our x ranging from, for x upon 5 it is from 5 to 10, and for x upon 7 it is from 7 to 14. If we take union of this we get our numbers as 7, 8 and 9. Now for x to be equal to 2, we have our x ranging from, for x upon 5 it is from greater than equal to 10 and less than 15, and for x upon 7 it is greater than equal to 14 and less than equal to 7. So for this if we take union we have only one common, that is equal 14. And for the value of x equal to 3, we have x ranging from, for x upon 5 it is from greater than equal to 15 and less than 20, and for x upon 7 is greater than equal to 21 and less than 28. In this we can see that there is no common value of x, so it is 5, and similarly for all the other cases it will be 5 only. So the number of solution that of x that is come to us is, let's see, here there are 4 terms, here there are 3 terms, here actually there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, 5 plus 3, 8 and 9. So there are total 9 values of x for which this equation is satisfying. So value of x is equal to 9.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.